morning, traders. Ala Peters on February 13th. In this video, I would like to show you and remind you that every single Fibonacci level, every single Fibonacci strategy remains the same on any instrument you will choose to trade. In this particular video, we will discuss and witness the accuracy of the method on S&P Mini 1-minute chart and long-term stocks and indexes. This is Amazon right now at Key Fibonacci Resistance. Amazon respecting this level and struggling to break through, doing exact same thing as S&P. This is break wall on S&P right now. 1-minute chart. This is where S&P been struggling immensely. This was the exit on the previous trade. This remains ultimate brick wall to the upside and ultimate support to the downside. This is a chart from the day trading room, level identified more than a week in advance. Do you remember how crucial and essential it is to play by the rules, no matter what instrument you trade? This is exact same thing that's in a play currently on McDonald's. Identical support, identical resistance. As we continue monitoring on S&P, 1-minute chart. Do you want to trade McDonald's? Do you want to trade S&P? Choice is yours. Do you want to trade 5-minute chart? Why not? Choice is yours. All the same formula. Do you want to trade oil as you will witness oil tomorrow during oil news? Let me remind you. If oil will crash and burn on institutional chart till 55, it will be a gift, as it was institutional resistance for over a year. And if I am not in town and you know the rules, you know what to do. Let me remind you, chart on oil going back years and the importance of these levels. Do you remember oil at this reversal zone at 29? Price comes to reversal zone, your bias is bullish. Do you remember trend inception on oil at 29? No surprise where buyers stepped in from. And absolutely no surprise where prices struggled for over a year. No surprise where oil reversed from again. Word reversal zone is present, oil will reverse. And that's the dance right now on S&P. Taking oil more than a year to break through 55. Will it take S&P 5 more hours to break through? We don't know. All we know, it's a brick wall, and you must adore and respect this level. All exact same formula. And that remains the key. What you want to trade, absolutely up to you. And that's exact same identical formula in a play on any instrument you will decide to trade. As S&P remains in excruciating pain sitting at this key support, identified more than a week prior. Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the markets. Everything else simply afterthought. More question you ask, better off we will be. As exact same support been an obstacle on euro. Chart from June 2016, where euro rallied from. You want to trade oil? You want to trade S&P? You want to trade options, stocks? Choice is yours. Students in the course of wide range, trading anything that appeals to them, as S&P is struggling immensely. No surprise. And if S&P will crash and burn lower, market will become drastically more interesting. But this is a range, and this is picture perfect reminder. Never ever ever short into bright pink line. 9-hour support. 9-hour resistance. Identical formula as in a play on gold. This is chart of gold that's been present in front of you for years. Do you remember this support in 2017? Are you surprised where buyers came from? No surprise whatsoever. Are you surprised where gold is struggling? It's at reversal zone. But as long as this support is respected, this is your channel. All classes are live. This is where you learn the method in live classes. Live classes on Monday and Friday, except this week live class on Wednesday. Let's pay attention on S&P. Remember this? No surprise whatsoever. So, if you come to the website, under Learn, you will learn all the details about class. As it states clearly, all the classes are live. I'm meeting with students at 9:15 Monday through Thursday. Live classes on Monday and Friday, this week on Wednesday. I'm with students 4 or 5 days a week, and that remains the key. Classes 8 weeks in group session and private mentoring 16. All the group classes included in private mentoring. Money management psychology is the core of the course. When I work with you one-on-one, I work via TeamViewer and Skype. And I set up NinjaTrader 7 for you. We concentrate on technical execution and we work via email and support as well. So, most important part of the website where you listen to students and graduates who are trading the method on ETFs, stocks, options, Forex. Anything you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. As S&P reached this level. Please pay attention, stop is not placed in random place. No random place, ever. Stops are always precise, as we've been here since the open. Will S&P finally skyrocket to this level? Doing exact same thing as gold, as oil, as Amazon, as euro. Or will it continue being a brick wall? Remember, this is a place you never enter into. So, if you signed up for the course, I highly encourage you. Follow all the instructions in welcome email and remember, all classes are live. Key class on Monday and Friday this week on February 14th. So, ladies and gentlemen, we've been here for the last 30 minutes. This ultimate resistance remains brick wall. As again you saw extremely clearly on oil. No need to wait for weeks and months to witness the accuracy of the method. It's in a play in front of you right now, every day. Key support to the downside and key support to the upside. Quite a dance. Again, levels present in front of you from previous Monday. When you will never forget the historical collapse we discussed and identified well before it happened. So, when you take Fibonacci classes, we go back to 2008 in tomorrow Wednesday class. In 2008, you will witness what played out on reversal zone. So, and again, right now, Apple at reversal zone. And again, right now, monthly on S&P at reversal zone. The only thing that's holding this collapse is this support. But no surprise where sell-off had started whatsoever. No surprise where bullish rally started from whatsoever. That's the reason I named proprietary Fibonacci level reversal zone. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. As we keep an eye on S&P still. What a brick wall. What a powerful reminder. Speculation and trading, never an option. The only thing that's constant in life is knowledge. Learn, practice, and execute. And then decide if you want to remain day trader and position trader or you want to be option stock ETF trader. Choice is yours. Facebook doing exact same thing as S&P. Look at that. Facebook here since last fall. S&P been here since market open. 37 minutes. Nasty chop. Ultimate reminder. Price action remains the same. The only difference, risk management and trader psychology. Do you want to be in the trade 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days, 5 weeks, 5 months, 5 years? Do you want to trade ETFs, stocks or options, Forex, Apple, Bitcoin? Choice is yours. Price action remains the same everywhere. And this is the most important level ever. When I worked in Johns Hopkins Research, I saw extremely clearly the impact of the colors on human brain. And that's the reason I chose this level to be this bright pink. Never to be ignored. Agree? So, when I work with hedge funds, I work as technical analyst. But because I live and breathe teaching and personal relationship with my students, I teach during the day, Monday through Friday. So, please review all the information on the website and never hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As you're learning the method along beginner traders and hedge fund managers, method that applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform, as long as the platform has Fibonacci